Hi Gemini!
Hi Gemini!
Welcome to Virtual Tarot for the month of October.
Yes.
And we will be reading for you.
Yes, and last month was a very interesting month for you.
Yes, I'm a Gemini.
Yes, you're a Gemini. And something actually hit its mark.
Yeah.
And hopefully that something is something that you wanted
Yeah.
to hit its mark.
But unfortunately for us little rebellious Geminis, we had to submit to authority.
Which is almost impossible for a Gemini.
So
Their own authority, that's another thing.
yeah,
but-
reining it in a little bit with
Yeah.
authority. But we're going to read for you this month. So 4-card spread.
Yes.
First card is the overall. Not easy for me.
Not easy for any Gemini to say. Yes.
Overall environment of the month card.
Thank you very much.
And
as you see, we're doing it spontaneously.
yes, we wanted to point this out.
Yes.
All of our readings are done right
In
here.
the moment.
Yes, and so with Spirit as our guide, we are
Yes.
reading for each sign every month. First card, overall month's environment. Oh, Four of Pentacles. I don't like this card.
No? You Geminis have overspent.
Yes.
So money's pouring out of your pocket,
Uh-huh.
unfortunately.
I don't like that.
So whatever the project is, you have to spend a little money on it.
Yeah.
And you can't keep tabs on all your financial obligations. It's frustrating you.
Mm-hmm.
And so the whole month is sort of permeated by this sense of having to keep your money in your pocket.
Yeah, because it keeps falling out.
Because it keeps falling out and people keep wanting
Right,
it
right.
everywhere
Treasure-
you turn.
Yeah, and it's like, I mean, maybe you have plans for this money and someone else has other plans for your money. So that's sort of the overall environment of the month.
Yes.
Next card.
Yes, please.
We both go for the same card at the same time. Oh, Five of Cups. Okay.
Oh, that's good.
So
That's good.
in
I like that.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
in his position, which is obstacles, Five of Cups. Okay.
It's your challenge.
So just turn around and I mean, you know what? Geminis are sort of, two people in one body. You could kind of get two for the price of one as a Gemini.
Yes, yes.
So
I like both of them generally.
yeah. So the thing is, you might have to focus on the side that is fulfilling, and not what you've lost. Okay, so we can't have everything as Geminis. We want to have everything, but maybe we need to focus a little bit more on what we do have, not what we don't have.
Yeah, so last month you had a lot of projects sort of up in the air, and one of those hit, and what this is just bemoaning the fact that maybe all of them didn't hit. Because a Gemini likes, they love to do multiple things, and they can't just stand at being monosyllabic, single-minded. And
There's another word for you to repeat at a dinner party. Monosyllabic.
it sounds like an insult, doesn't it? But it's
I
not.
think it sounds like a virus.
It is.
But anyway,
Well,
back
it's not
to
a
her.
virus that Geminis generally have. So,
But we do have a conundrum, or we're affected with this need to live all of these lives.
Yes,
in one lifetime.
in 1 month, practically.
In 1 month, yeah. So your obstacle this month is what she said.
Thank you. Enough said.
All right.
Oh, yeah, reversed.
Oh my God, and the unexpected. Okay, Ace of Wands reversed. Can
All
I
right.
get a handle on something?
Well,
Can't get a handle on the overall environment of the month is this card, Four of Pentacles inverted. Getting a handle on what it is you want to focus on, spend your money on, share with others.
Right, and also it's the unexpected. So unexpectedly, what you thought would work didn't work. You see, that's what I'm saying, is that you thought you'd be doing something else creatively, and you're doing you're doing something that you didn't think you would be doing.
Mm-hmm.
So this is no. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this card inverted.
Mm-mm.
It may be delayed
Mm-hmm.
creation. That is, maybe you can't quite get the
Getting your hands around a project, getting your arms around
right.
a project.
You can't quite handle it this month.
Uh-huh.
But still, you feel like an inward creative impulse,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not given the ground to express itself completely.
Not
So
yet.
that's not yet. That's what's
Uh-huh.
unexpected.
Unexpectedly, yeah.
All right.
And in the fourth and final position, which is what's upcoming, what's coming up in the month. And this is so funny because we have, and this makes complete and total sense.
Total sense.
Queen of Pentacles reversed.
Yes.
Okay, so I have to say 86% of our viewers are female.
Yes.
And they are my age. And I am a
That's
Gemini. And let me tell you, right now, this card totally sings to me.
Oh, tell me.
Well, I will tell you, I have a lot of people in my life. At my age, I have friends, family, people pulling on me in all directions. And there are certain things that I want to do for myself. Now, am I spending my energy, my my funds,
As well.
my
Yes.
treasured, whatever I've saved, whatever I have, am I spending those things the way I want to? And, overall, as a Gemini, you're very generous. I feel,
Yes, they are.
So
They are.
the month is wrought with getting a handle on what it is that you are willing to spend on others, and maybe
and trying to keep sacred that spark of creativity that you have to expend it the way you want to, and not to be constantly pulled in every direction.
Mm-hmm. Yep. So Five of Cups says turn around, look at what is fulfilling you.
Right.
Okay, and that in itself should spin you in the right direction, Gemini, towards next month. And we'll be back. You don't want to miss next month.
No.
Stay tuned for the reading. We are going to read for your four-legged friends. Thanks a lot.
Believe it or not.
And that's your treat. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Thank you for joining us. That's it.
Welcome to Virtual Tarot, and this month we're doing Virtual Dog Tarot.
Yes.
A treaty.
For the month of October for our furry friends who happen to be Gemini.
So we're going to do a one-card spread
For their future.
with this awesome new deck called Dog Tarot.
Yes.
Yay! We love the Dog Tarot. Okay, what do we get? Justice.
Ah.
Well, your dogs are very wise.
Yes, your Gemini doggy is very wise.
Very, very wise. Your Gemini dog, actually, the wisdom is their compassion.
Yes.
They never hold a grudge.
And they could teach you
And they can teach you a thing or two about compassion and about forgiveness and about not being annoyed by other people's behavior, their and the way that the dog puts up with your irritability, your moodiness. Your dog really has a lot to teach you in the month of October. And so please pay attention to how your dog shows you compassion. And perhaps you could show compassion to others just the same.
So for this month, the month of October, reading for Gemini pups, just notice and take some appreciative time to reflect on the good qualities of your Gemini dog. And if you have friends who have Gemini dogs, share this reading with them. Or if you know of a dog that's a little bit bipolar, he's probably Gemini. So
right.
Share the reading with his owner, his two-legged friend. We do have a challenge going on. If we get enough views,
10,000 views we're looking for. We'll do this again, knowing that you really like to have your dogs read.
So ask your friends to subscribe subscribe and share, and hopefully we will see you next month.
Yes.
Happy October!
Happy October.